Hello! We, Typewriter 2, are thrilled to present our innovative solution for problem statement SIH 1612, an automated bus scheduling and route management system designed specifically for the Delhi Transport Corporation (DTC). Our initiative, Smart Sanchalan, is set to address the significant operational challenges faced by DTC, such as inefficient driver scheduling, inadequate route planning, and laborious resource management. The existing manual processes for tracking driver attendance and bus schedules often lead to suboptimal resource utilization and missed opportunities for improved operational effectiveness. Smart Sanchalan proposes a centralized driver and fleet management system that leverages GIS for optimized route planning, ensuring efficient operations, accurate scheduling, and seamless resource efficiency. The technical approach utilizes advanced tools like JWT, firewalls, and AI, integrating real-time GIS data updates for dynamic route and time scheduling using techniques of Google OR tools C.S.P with algorithmic dekistra, ensuring a robust and interactive user experience. I would now like to present a compact prototype that demonstrates the functionality of our Smart Sanchalan, accompanied by some of its illustrations. Welcome to the landing page of Smart Sanchalan. From here, both drivers and administrators can log into their respective systems with ease. The map is designed to exhibit overlapping routes and provide a visualization of real-time traffic and road conditions through the integration of GIS live feeds. A timetable, updated daily according to attendance records, will be distributed to each driver based on their availability, ensuring optimal driving efficiency. Additionally, each driver will have access to a dedicated chatbot for assistance. Feasibility and viability hinge on existing GPS and GIS technologies, though challenges like data accuracy and integration need addressing through staff training, regular data verification, and contingency planning. Smart Sanchalan will help in reducing carbon emissions and idle time through efficient route optimization, while economic benefits stem from lower operational costs and improved resource management. It will also give a better centralized control to DTC managers. Research and references from key studies, including GIS-based route optimization and real-time bus tracking, underpin Smart Sanchalan. Thank you.